Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to add comments to a cell in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to add comments to a cell in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to add comments to a cell in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here is our list. We add a comment to the cell so the other persons have the sheet can edit. Okay, we share it with other persons so we all can edit things. Now we click on cell like this, press Ctrl Alt M, Ctrl Alt M. It's allowed to type a comment on it like this. Wrong results comment. Now it shows small and age orange symbol so you can see it has a comment. I can replay, so anyone type a comment I can replay it like checking it soon. Okay, checking replay. Now the cell had two comments, comment and replay. Delete, you can delete it. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to add comment to a cell in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.